Are you a new forex trader? Are you new to trading and you're here wondering, where should I, what should I do, what should I trade? Now in trading in general, we do have these trading instruments that include forex, crypto, indices, stocks, energies, and metals. Now it's up to you to decide which of these are you going to trade. Now for today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about the trading instruments. Today in particular, forex. Now forex as it is, forex on its own refers to the buying and selling of currencies from around the world. Now, from around the world, which is also known as foreign exchange trading. You get? Now, forex, mostly for beginners, I would advise any forex pair that has a USD in it. For example, you can have a USD on it. Now, for example, we have the euro, we have the Great Britain pound, we have the Japanese yen, we have the Swiss franc, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. You get? Now, some of these pairs that I'm talking about. You may be wondering, we have the euro, euro USD. You see, it has a USD at the end. We have the GBP USD, which is the British pound. GBP USD. We also have the USD GPY. You can name them USD GPY, GPY. We have the USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc, which is F. We have the USD card, USD card. We have the Australian dollar USD, AUD USD, which is the AUD USD. We also have the New Zealand dollar USD, which is New Zealand dollar. It's the New Zealand dollar USD. Now all these pairs among these pairs, we have the beginner friendly pairs. Now if you've decided to join the forex world, I would advise you to opt for the beginner friendly pairs, because trust me, we have the exotic pairs and the user friendly pairs, or the majors. Now for example, if I were to start again in trading, I would opt for the euro USD, and I'm going to give you reasons as to why I would advise you guys to opt for these as well. Euro USD, we have the GBP USD. We also have the USD GPY, GPY. Here are the reasons as to why I would advise you guys to opt for these three pairs. One, one, these three pairs, the three pairs, which is the Euro USD, GBP USD, and the USD GPY, they offer high liquidity. Why would I opt for the high liquidity? High liquidity. And by this, I mean liquidity on its own means liquidity refers to the high demand for an asset, i.e., it will be easier to find a buyer or a seller for the particular asset. You get easier to find a buyer or a seller for a particular asset. That's why I would opt for the Euro USD or GBP USD. We also have another reason, which is these pairs, these particular pairs as you see them, they have tighter spreads. Now explain to you what I mean by the tighter spreads, which is tighter spreads. Tighter spreads. Tighter spreads. Now by tighter spreads, now spreads, a spread is a small difference between the buying price, which is the ask, and the bid, which is the selling price, Now, a spread is the small difference between a buying price and a selling price of a currency pair. You get a buying price and a selling price of a currency pair, meaning the cost to execute a trade is minimal, which is beneficial for the traders, as it also allows us to capture more profits with less expense. Now, if you're a trader, you know you want to obtain more profits with a small expense. Another reason as to why I would opt for these pairs will be the less volatility. Now, I'll explain to you in a bit what volatility usually means. Now, by volatility as it is refers to how much a currency pair moves up and down. Therefore, the lower the volatility, the more stable the price movements. You get, you wouldn't want to enter a trade or trade a currency pair with high volatility. You get high volatility. Now, less volatility is optable. Now volatility. Now these currency pairs you see, the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY, are less volatile compared to the exotic pairs. Now, we also have some exotic pairs. By exotic pairs, I mean by exotic pairs, I mean the we have the USD TRY, which is the US dollar versus the Turkish lira. We have the euro ZAR, which is, pardon me if I pronounce that not correctly. Have the euro ZAR, which is the US, which is, we have exotic pairs include the euro, which is the euro ZAR, which is the euro with the South African rand. Now these pairs are very volatile, and trust me, if you ask any profitable trader if they've ever traded the euro, the USD, and the Turkish lira, or the euro and the South African rand. Now for beginners, I would advise you guys to opt for the euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD. Now many of you would ask yourselves, why haven't I pointed out the XAU USD, which is gold versus USD versus the US dollar? Now if you're a beginner trader, my friend, trust me, you wouldn't want to go in for the gold. Gold is very volatile. Gold usually changes all the time. Although people that are pro in trading usually trade the gold because it yields high returns. Now you can comment down below what forex instrument I should do for you guys next. It will do for me if you would please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.